Hey everyone. So, just a quick video today because, well, I've had a super busy week and it's gonna keep being busy till, well, frankly, like Sunday. But next week, I don't have classes, so I'm gonna be streaming and a bunch of stuff. I got Skyrim and a bunch of lewd mod stuff installed, so I'm gonna be streaming that. That'll be a lot of fun. So, yeah. Be on the lookout for that. Check out my Twitter. I'll tweet out a few hours before I actually figure out when the hell I'm gonna go live. I really wish I could have done a longer video today, but I didn't get around to filming this until 2 minutes after it's supposed to normally go live anyway. Yeah. Needless to say, I need to go spend another 6 hours on homework and then also take a midterm. Yeah. It's been a nightmare of a week. But hey, life happens. So yeah. Wish me luck. Um, better like a short update video than no video, since I haven't missed an upload since I started, and I refuse to miss an upload. So yeah. I won't bother wasting you guys' time. I love you all. Mwah.